before Sarah Farms milk is bottled.
So I serve from Midland to Albuquerque, El Paso, and Las Cruces.
It starts here.
We service big box stores such as Sam's and Costco, regular grocery stores, Walmart, Food Kings, Big 8s, and then also your convenience stores, Circle K's, Walgreens, all the way down to the schools. We also have the three big school districts in El Paso and also Las Cruces.
Servicing hundreds of thousands regionally. Then COVID-19 came.
First week, we saw unprecedented demand. Our production was almost double. Next week, it was like someone turned off a light switch. We were able to get rid of some of our milk to the food bank. Unfortunately, we had to dump a little bit too.
60,000 gallons dumped, which Burns says isn't pouring milk on the ground. It means making cream and then hauling the skim back to the farms and feeding it to the animals.
Turn us off. While we're still seeing more sales at the local grocery stores, we have lost all of our food service, all of our restaurant business.
They aren't applying for loan assistance.
We're in a USDA program where we're donating milk and being reimbursed by the USDA a little bit. We haven't had to furlough or lay any people off. We employ about 160 people here in El Paso and then others on the farm. We're just trying to keep our heads above water. We work day to day. We're able to feed our animals, and right now we're able to bottle and sell our milk because we are local and we have our workers, our animals, and our plant right in this community.
And Byrne tells ABC 7 anytime an employee goes to work, their temperature is checked and they sanitize. He says no one at their facility has come down with COVID-19 and no one has had to be quarantined, laid off, or furloughed, which he says they're all very proud of.